'pag nag-umpisa ka kasi, remember the tithe na napag-aralan natin sa church, no? Sabi nga, bigyan natin ng 10% tithes si Lord kasi sa kanya nanggaling yan. So, ako kasi I practice the 10% or even more, or well, it depends sometimes, no? You have
Mm.
to give first to the Lord,
Mm.
and then another percentage for yourself, meaning for the old you. Kasi there's a
Mm.
young you, and
Mm.
there's going to be the old you someday. So
Mm.
you have to save another percentage. It can be 10, 15, 20. It's up to you. And
Mm.
then the rest you can spend for your monthly expenses. At least continuously you're saving a percentage for yourself in the future.